Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a recipe of mini pizza. Firstly, let's start preparing the dough. We need 3.5 cup of plain flour, 1 cup of warm milk, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, half tablespoon of baking powder, and 3 tablespoons of oil. Add milk, sugar and yeast into a bowl. Mix it well and wait for about 5 minutes. Now add flour, salt, baking powder and oil. Mix well. Now start kneading the dough. Add water as required. Apply a little oil on the dough and let it rest for about 1 hour. For preparing chicken, we need 1 bowl of chicken, half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of spice powder. Add all the ingredients into chicken and marinate for about 30 minutes. In a frying pan, add little oil and then add chicken. Cook until water dries. Now chicken is ready, you can off the flame. As you can see, dough has risen enough. We need prepared chicken, 1 bowl of green bell pepper, 1 bowl of finely chopped tomatoes and black olives, mozzarella cheese, black pepper and salt. Sprinkle some flour and then take half of the dough and start flattening it. Take any small size ball and start cutting into circle shape. Now grease the baking tray with oil. Place the dough on the baking tray. Add little ketchup and spread it well. Now add tomatoes, green bell pepper, chicken, Sprinkle salt and black pepper. Now add olives. Add mozzarella cheese. Bake in oven on 200 degrees Celsius temperature for 20 minutes or until they turn into golden color. As you can see, mini pizzas are ready. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.